Hello, and it's your new favorite YouTuber, Sand MT. Today, I'm going to be playing Choo Charles. I'm going to make a little series on this, and I'm going to have lots of fun doing this. I am going to have a guest every single time. It's going to be new every single time I do this. Today, I have Poldy here with me. Poldy, do you mind introducing yourself?
Hey, I'm his cousin. My name's Leopold, but my nickname's Poldy. So,
Yes. He is going to be doing this for the first, and then I'm going to either ask him to come back, or I'm going to ask maybe Sans YT here. So, or some of his cousins. So, or Ultimate Gamer maybe. So, let's just do a new game. Let's go.
I know it's been a while since we last spoke, but something has happened at the mines I've been supervising. No, trust me, you'll want to make time for this. You're looking for something big to keep your museum in business? Well, there's something big on that island. Real big. So many friends, and even my own son are still out there. If anyone can bring this thing down, it's you. It'll be the biggest attraction your city's ever seen, and you can help an old friend. Yes, meet me on the docks at sunset. I hope you're ready for a little
That's
monster.
Charles. Say something. That scares me so much. Ooh. Okay.
Yes, sir. They call him Charles.
Charles.
Half trained, half
Yes, sir.
Giga
We've been
hell.
planning his demise for some time now, and have nearly everything in order. Just
sure
a
you
few
do.
people to meet and places to see.
Eugene.
Simple errands, you know.
Oh, his name's Eugene. You can see it in the corner.
Yes, sir. Welcome to Aranerum, the island where miners dig their own graves. Stay close.
I can't use-
Charles isn't the only thing to fear around
Okay.
here.
Bugada.
There's a train shed at the top of the hill. One of the train operators was killed early on by the beast. If we can get to it, it could be an indispensable tool on our journey.
Come on.
Stay close. We don't want to be exposed for...
Eugene. Where are you going, Eugene? Eugene! Stop, Eugene. Is Eugene my grandpa or something?
Eugene's so fast. Why did they make him so fast? He's like an old dude, and he's like the Flash.
He is the Flash, bro. I'm gonna pass him. I passed you. Never passed me. No, he passed me! Eugene, what are you doing?
Ah, shucks, it's locked.
Oh, it's locked. Okay. Eugene
Not to
is
worry,
mad.
we can still find a way in. There's a small shack up the path that might have a key inside. Take this map. I just marked the location on it. See if the key is up there. And
Okay, M. I can push to. Okay, so that means now I know where it is. Okay, I can. Okay, so Choo Charles, yay! The keys are inside there, but how to? Oh, there we go. The key. Let's go back. Oh, Gramps, I found. I've Eugene. Is Eugene my
good
dad?
on you. Looks like you found it. Open up that door and lead the way.
That's cool, bro. Yay, we got our little Thomas the Train Engine. Oh, look at all these targets. What are these targets for? There's a freaking minigun on the back of the train.
No way!
No way. Ah! Sorry, Eugene. I think it's time for you to go. Ah! Ah, Eugene. Eugene.
Wow!
Eugene.
Beautiful.
Well, that gun you were looking at wasn't on here when I was evacuated from the island. But we can light up Charles with it and take him down before he even sees us coming.
Yeah.
Are you ready to take this thing for a spin?
Yeah, I am. I can't push the back, so let's go. Oh!
Ah, baby! We're coming for you, Charles!
I hear something.
It's him! It's him!
Ah!
Get to the gun! Light him up! Light
Hit in the
him
face.
up! Careful! Don't let the gun overheat!
No, I made it overheat. I'm sorry. No, Eugene! Sorry, Eugene, but it's time for you. No, Eugene! No! No, Eugene! No! Eugene! No!
This is
Damn.
I'm standing on him. Get up.
supposed to end.
Look at his leg.
I thought we could still fight like
Oh, you'll be fine. It's a little scratch.
Ian.
Just a little scratch, man. You'll be okay.
You'll need
Give you an ice pack.
more than I thought.
I don't think there's any ice packs.
I don't have time to explain.
Find the eggs.
Find my son.
Eugene. I'm not his son?
No.
Bro, you're not the father? No! Copyright. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Oh, wait. There's... Eugene. I'm sorry, Eugene. Eugene! Ah! I think I just ended Eugene.
Eugene was already ended.
Eugene, I just killed you. Oh, wait. Okay, it says I can, Oh, I can zoom out. Oh, there's just a bunch of stuff. Oh, so these are missions we don't have to do. These are missions we have to do. What are the red missions? Weapon missions. Okay. We're gonna do this required mission. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this weapon one. We're going all the way up here, and we'll do these, and then we'll end the video there. So right now we're going right to it. There's a little campsite. So this is gonna be nice. It's nice. A little train ride. We get to finally do something for once in our life. Yay!
Let's go!
What is that?
Yeah!
There's like a little crate. What is this? What are these? Scrap. Oh, railings. Oh. I'm watching you, Rail.
I'm playing some Rocket League right now.
Bro. You're supposed
What?
to be watching me, kind of.
I know, it's like I have it on the half screen so I can half see Rocket League and half see your game. Cause why not?
5 scraps. Honestly, I want to go with armor because I'm not gonna. Now I'm back at 94 hours. Okay. Got some train music. Wait, is there a horn? Choo choo, Charles. We're not scared of you.
Wait, so Mason, what other videos are you gonna like post on YouTube?
Hey,
besides-
remember we're recording. Just right away. I
What?
am going to be posting like Bendy in the Dark Revival, maybe an Undertale series, Subnautica,
Wait, do
rap.
you have
Ask
Bendy in
me,
the Dark Revival?
ask me guys if you want to do that. I'm going to buy Bendy in the Dark Revival if you guys ask me to do it, because I will do more series like this. Because I will and I want to, but it's kind of hard when I have no money, so yeah.
You don't have any money on like your Steam account or anything?
Nope. Hey, Plody.
Oh, damn.
Be quiet.
The monster hunter has arrived, I see.
Oh, so we're a monster hunter.
This
okay.
is no ordinary hunt, mind you. We've already tried fighting Charles, but he retreats into the wilderness if he is sufficiently harmed.
Yeah.
We believe there may be a way to get Charles to commit to a mortal battle, however.
Oh!
Dispersed around the island are 3 eggs, locked in the island's 3 primary mines. Our theory is that putting these eggs in the temple at the center of the island will provoke Charles into a fight to the death.
Yes.
Unfortunately, the mining company owner, Warren Charles III, has placed armed guards inside each mine to protect the eggs.
Bro.
There's an egg in the mine just down the rail. Here's the key to the mine. I've marked the entrance on your map.
Okay, let's check.
Mason, how long is your... Oh. Well, how long is your video gonna be?
Maybe 18 minutes.
18 minutes?
Like,
It's a long video.
Like around then. And depending on how long I get much done. I'm gonna go to the weapon place, so... We're gonna now go to the new weapon place.
Wait, aren't the weapons... There's like a flamethrower...
Hey
or
man,
something?
I don't know this, so oh, it's right here. It's right here. So I don't want you spoiling it for me. You already saw it. Okay. Bro, he
A
balled.
little flamethrower is an addition to my spider train home defense plan, but as you can see,
Yeah, I told
it
you.
has slightly backfired.
So how big
Come
were
here,
those
flamethrower.
spiders, sir? How big exactly were those spiders? I don't think it was a train spider, but oh wait. You said spider train. Wow, how dumb am I?
Nearly cooked myself alive in that shed as I was testing it.
Maybe that's why your head is all red.
I would love to save the shed, though.
Wait, is that Eugene talking?
Flamethrower somehow
It's not
still works
Eugene,
after
it's
the fire
Saint
dies down.
Flint.
Well, I'd assume you're the monster hunter that folks have been expecting. So, like this could come in handy.
Okay, so he's saying fix his home.
Oh no!
Or water. I'm gonna go grab found scrap. Yay.
Using the water tank to put out the fire. Pure genius. Woohoo!
Now you have no water though. Starve.
Here, take old bug spray. I don't want to see it anywhere near here again. Shoot dang.
Shooting. Okay, so now we have a flamethrower apparently. Let's go to my train. Let's go see.
I told you there was a flamethrower, man. I'm just like a genius.
Yeah, sure. Even though I have -4 brain cells, so let's just...
Yeah, yeah, you have -4 brain cells.
Whoa, that's cool, but that goes off like a really long cooldown. Okay, that gets really fast, that happened. So on the way, we're gonna stop to the south mines, and then we're gonna go all the way up here and do these 2 missions, and then we're good. And then that's where I'm gonna end the video. And I'll do the rest the next time. Wah, 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 wah. Oh, I just passed it. I just passed it. Just passed it. Bro, how bad am I in this game?
What am I doing? What the?
Okay, now I'm just scared. Scrap. No paper. Stop the video if you want to read this. I don't want to read papers. This was on Eugene, so if you want to read this, then go ahead, read it. I'm not, so. Some scrap. Okay, this is not the exit or anywhere near an egg. So I believe there should be an egg in here. Ooh, there's a chest. Can't do anything with it though. Shoot dang. Remember that. Oh, the water's very green. Oh! He has a freaking gun! He has a gun!
Stop right there!
Ah! You'll never catch me alive. Plody, where are you?
I'm right here.
Where are you when I need you? Ah! You'll never catch me alive. I wanna get
5 goals, let's go!
You'll never get me. He's still chasing me.
Oh, I gotta stop.
He's still chasing me.
I gotta stop doing that, man.
He's still chasing me. He's still chasing me. I got it. Is he still chasing me?
Are you shooting him in the
He's still
face?
chasing me. He's still here. Oh, there's my train. Just run to it. Wait, can I shoot him with the gun? I can Yeah, no crap, bro. Get the flamethrower. Flamethrower him. He's on fire! Bro, sheesh. I killed him. Totally teabagging. I'm teabagging. I'm going back in and getting that chest I saw. There was a chest. I really like chests. So let's go back and get that. Yeah, that guy was scary, and he took some health on my train, apparently. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Can I get this guy? I can't get this. I still can't get that. I'll probably need something to unlock that. I'll come back here later. But for now, I can go back to my train and go to the next point where I need to go. So when I get there, then I can do the stuff I need to do. I'll get the next egg after, and I'll do the weapon thing, and then I'll end the video there. So go all the way up here to. I'm gonna do the mission and everything. There's a lighthouse.
Yeah.
Oh god, you're scaring me. It's like the Monster Hunter lost his mind. Oh, I hear something. I'm scared. Oh, what is that? Is that Choo? There's Choo. I don't think he saw me. Am I in the right way? On the right way? I have to stop here.
Careful, man.
God, you scared me.
Shumba.
Turn off your voice changer.
Okay.
I'm recording right now, so I don't want you on your voice changer.
Whatever, I know.
I'll be right back.
Shumbagada.
Hey, I'm back. Sorry about that. There's always something. Oh, not again. I gotta get out of here again. Oh my god. Are you serious right now, bro?
Alright, Mason. Can you hear this?
Yeah. No, I can't hear anything.
Did you hear that swallowing?
No. Wait, what are you swallowing?
You can't hear that?
No.
What?
Barely hear anything. I can hear like a little thing, but I don't hear anything. See that? I turned that right.
Drinking water.
Just drinking water. Okay, we're almost there. I saw Choo Charles. He's too scared to fight me.
I feel like I kind of want to get the new Bendy game. Should I? On Steam? Because I have like $90
Hey
on
man,
Steam.
that's something to talk about later. I don't want to talk about that right now because I'm playing Choo Choo Charles, kind of.
I'm just asking, man. Jeez.
Man, I don't care. That's the thing.
Hey, man, that's hurting my feelings really bad.
Well, I don't care. I don't care about your feelings.
Yeah.
I found
30
it.
bucks? It's 30 bucks?
Yeah, I only have 10 right now, so.
Haha.
Yeah, maybe because I spent it all on all this, like Choo Choo Charles. Well, I'm a gamer. I want to play this. I'm here. That's a freaking launcher. That's a freaking rocket launcher.
A new weapon to help you hunt Charles. And use
That's a freaking rocket launcher.
Rocket launcher.
Bendy.
I've been wanting to see Warren's empire
Bendy
crumble
and a
for
dark
a long
Puppy,
revival.
where's the
time.
puppy?
So building this puppy was a hell of an opportunity.
Where's the puppy?
Bendy
Where's the
and
puppy?
Now
the
that you're here,
machine.
I need a few minutes to remove some safety features.
Yeah, safety features on a rocket launcher. Yeah, go right ahead and do that.
While I'm working on that, why don't you bring that box of rocket ammunition back here from inside the bunker down the rail?
Nice. Yeah, I'll do that. Okay, it's on my map.
Oh, my Superman.
Okay, it's right here. So I'll come back here. I'll come back. Do that. I'll do whatever this is. Oh, scraps.
Check.
What scrap?
I'm sure Eugene told you all about me, so I need not introduce myself.
Oh, put a shirt on.
By the way, in case you
Bro, he's probably he's locked out of his
Warren
house.
Boss is keeping. We're unsure why he wants to protect the eggs.
I don't care about your
He's skinny
opinion,
as hell.
honestly. I don't care about his
He's
opinion.
so skinny.
Can I get into his house now? I can't get into his
Look at
house. I will never be able to get into his
Bum.
house. I could have came way closer, but my screen said no, so. I'm gonna go.
Really time.
Okay.
I'm gonna go to. I think Plody has to go right now, so.
Bro, how many times are you gonna say my name?
Poldy, sorry. I'm confused. It's the one that said my name wrong once.
How? When?
Sands Smith.
Oh yeah. No, I called you that on purpose. Sam Smith.
Oh my god! The egg's all the way over there, so no, I'm not going over there. Yeah, I'll head my way there on the next video.
Okay, Mason, I have to go.
Okay, see you, man.
Goodbye.
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 He has left me, and this is where I need to go. This video has had some technical difficulties. What was that? Dynamite? Ooh. Okay, this is the place he marked. I marked it exact. TT. Oh god, it's like Minecraft. Oh! Okay, that kinda hurt me. What's it done? If I went down with this. Oh god. My health is gone now. I can go back to Mr. That guy and get that rocket launcher I was asking for. Now. Okay, that's great. That was actually really quick. I'm gonna get that rocket launcher and then there. I know Sans YT did something on this. I believe I was in one of those videos. I don't remember. That was a while ago. I want to do this because I wanted just to do it. And also, I need something for a video, so I'm just going to do this video. Okay. Back to Billy Bob. back to old Billy Bob.
The launcher is incomplete. Oh, and
Give me the rocket launcher. Okay. Let's just test out the rocket launcher before I go. Wait, where is it? Ooh, big baby. Whoa! I hit that tree right over there. Oh, never mind. What if I launched it just in the air? Just watch that fireball go. If I did this. Right there. Well, that was cool. Well, that was what I was doing. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time on my next video. Ask me what you guys want for a video, so see you guys next time.